Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for SAT. We have been solving SAT math problems out of this book here, the official SAT study guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 953. 953, please turn to it. And today is our lesson number 140. 140. Today we'll finish the section that we're looking at. Problem number 17 and 18 is what we're about to do on page number 953. The first two problems that you see on the page, 15 and 16 in the first column, we did those yesterday. Let's look at number 17. We're given a little picture here. Here is point A, here is point B, and here is point that is 8 and 3. We are told the coordinates of that point is 8 and 3. Question is, and here is your x-axis, your y-axis, everything, and this is what they're calling line L. The question is, line M, which is not shown to us, passes through O and intersects AB. So this AB is line AB, and the origin, the line M, which is not shown to us, goes through like that. It goes through the origin and it intersects line AB. Question simply is, what is one possible value of the slope of this line? What is one possible value of the slope of line M? This line right here, the dotted line. Well, let's figure out what the slope of the line L is. Slope of line L. Well, we can look at this point here, 8, 0, and we can look at this point here, 0, 0. And the slope, of course, is simply the change in y over the change in x. As we go from the origin to this point here, the change in y from here to there, we go from 0 to 3. The change in y is 3. Similarly, the change in x, we go from 0 to 8. Is 8 minus 0. In other words, the slope of this guy is 3 over 8. 3 over 8. Therefore, the slope of line M would have to be anywhere between 0 and, but it cannot be 0, anywhere between, it cannot be 0. Slope of 0 means x-axis has a slope of 0, it's just flat. But it could, for example, this is one possibility, this is another possibility, this is one more possibility, there is one more possibility. And all of these lines that we see here, this line, that line, this line, this line, all of this line here that we show here as line M, they all have the slope that falls somewhere between 0 and 3 over 8, because they are all below line L. Therefore, the slope of line M would have to be anywhere between 0 and 3 over 8. And that's your answer. So slope of line M there is between 0, and here's the slope of line M is between 0 and 3, 8. It cannot be equal to 0, because equal to 0, as I already said, would be a straight line, a horizontal line, x-axis, and it cannot be equal to 3, 8, because equal to 3, 8 means the line M will end up sitting on top of line L. It cannot sit on top of line L. It has to intersect AB at some point. That's it. That's your answer. So any value that you grade in that falls between 3, 8 and 0 would be considered as correct. Any value at all. It's up to you. Do you understand? For example, you could do 2, 8. You can do 2, 8. I shouldn't put equal to because it's not equal to. We can grade in 2, 8, which is same as 1/4 obviously. So you could actually grade in 2/8 and they will accept it. You can grade in 1/4, or you can grade in anything that you like that falls between 0 and 3, 8. Let's do number 18, the last one in the section. Last one in the section. is given 92, 93, 94, 5 and 6. This is X, 1552, 1238, 1459 and 1351. Let's see what they're asking. The table above shows the student enrollment at the high school from 92 to 96. From 92 to 96. If the median enrollment for the 5 years was 1351, the median we are told is 1351. What is the greatest possible value of X? What does median mean? Median is the middle number after the numbers have been arranged in order. So we have to arrange them from the least to greatest or the greatest to least. We have to arrange the number either in ascending order or in descending order, either in increasing order or in decreasing order. And after the numbers have been arranged either ascending or descending order, the number that falls right in the middle, we are told, is 1351. Let's see what happens. The smallest one that I see here is 1238. So 1238 is going to go here, which is 1994. Not that it matters. The years don't matter. We are interested in numbers. Then we have 1351. But 1351 we are told is the median. 1351 is the median. If 1351 is the median, and since there are 5 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that one would have to be in the middle because we are told that it's median. So that's in the third position. That's in the third position. This is the smallest one. This is the third position. What goes in the fourth position? The fourth position would be 1449. 1449. That's in the fourth position. And in the fifth position we will have 1552. The question is, what is the largest amount that we can put here? What is the largest amount that we can put here? And that's our X. That's our X right here. Because this third position, 1351, was 1996. This one, 1238, was 1994. Number 4, 1459 was 1995. And then we have 1993. So as you can see, we have 93, 94, 95 and 96. What is missing is 1992, which is what they're calling X. This is our X. The question is, what is the largest value can be put here, given the fact that the median is 1351. If median is 1351, then maybe this one can be 1350.99999. Can it? Of course not. It has to be an integer. Why? Because these figures, the nature of the question is such that these figures represent integers. Why? Because these are people, these are students. These figures show student enrollment. It's very difficult to get 35 and a 3/8 student. Very difficult. So the largest number that we can put here is the next integer that comes right before 1351, which is 1350. 1350 is the largest number that we can put here and still have a median of 1351 for these 5 years. That's all. The answer is 1350. I will see you tomorrow where we'll begin the next section that you see there, section number 5. Alright? We have 10 more days to go. We'll take five days, as you know, it takes 5 days to finish one section. So we'll take 5 more days to do the next section, and then 5 more days to do the last section in the exam. And then finally, we will have done with all the 10 exams in the book. Alright? 10 more to go. 140 down. Today was lesson number 140. 140 down. 10 more to go. Alright? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.